Hello, I want to show you how to hack a RC helicopter. Basically, this is a Chinese helicopter which operates with IR technology. At the bottom, you can see one IR receiver over here. So it basically operates with IR technology, and this is exactly its remote board. So what I've done is I've picked up the remote board. This is its battery pack, and I have lifted it off for the hacking purpose. So this is the remote board. Now how exactly it works is I will show you very minutely. See, this is the flying joystick. So if you move this, basically the helicopter is going to lift up if I move a lot. So this is the technique that we use over here is there is a potentiometer, and the output voltage of the potentiometer is sensed. There is you got to be a bit careful while working with this. So what I'm going to do is there is a switch out here at the bottom, and I shall switch off this. I want to show you how this remote works. So this is the back end PCB side of the remote. Now look closely. There are three IR lights over here. So they'll be transmitting the signal based on which the helicopter will be moved. This is the first potentiometer, and this is the second potentiometer. This is the potentiometer that we saw, which moves the helicopter movement. Now, if you look closely, there are 3 pins here. If you look closely, there are 3 pins over here. So this moves the joysticks. The joystick over here, you move it in this direction and this direction. So what I have done is I have taken a wire from this one, and I have connected this with a transistor circuit. So this is BC548. I have given 470 ohm resistor for base, and I have connected it through Arduino. So this is pretty much my circuit connection. This wire over here, this is coming from Arduino. So I'm going to give the supply from pin number 13 of Arduino, and this is the connection from the close. So this white wire is given from the plus 5 volt of Arduino. So on the emitter side, we connect plus 5 volt of Arduino. Ideally, you could also connect the 9 volt from this one to make it move higher. So I just repeat that in the first transistor, what you can do is you can take the 9 volt supply from your battery pack, and you can just give it instead of Arduino's 5 volt, because I want to keep this voltage bit smaller, range lower. So I have done this. Ideally, it should get 9 volts. So in my case, the emitter of the transistor is getting its supply from the Arduino board, and this wire over here, that is the collector, is this wire here. So the left side of this remote is been connected with the collector of this. So when pin number 13 triggers this one, the voltage will be connected through the transistor, and it should trigger this one off. So the logic that I shall be using over here is, instead of making the joystick move, I'll try to supply the I'll try to give the supply through Arduino's serial port command, and try to see if it's moving or not. So I have the helicopter over here. What I'll try to do is I'll try to I'm giving 1, so which will be triggering my pin number 1. I'll try to make it move through pin number 1. And I shall try to show you when I give command from Arduino how exactly it starts rotating. So if I leave it, as you can see, it's ready to leave, and when I give 0, once I give 0, it just close up. So this is pretty much my circuit. I have the Arduino here. The Arduino is connected with the PC through serial port, and this is the original remote control, the IR remote control. For that matter, you can hack any other remote control, even if it is RF based. You can operate with the same technique. It's pretty much the similar circuit. Now for the other switches, what I have done is you can see the color combination over here, red and violet. So what I've done is I have taken this and put it across one more set of transistor, and then another set of transistor gets this sort of voltage. So what I do is the left side to the emitter and the right side of the circuit to the collector, and it's pretty much works well. So this is how you can hack RC helicopter with Arduino. All you have to do is open the helicopter, just connect the battery pack, and then identify the points over here with which the joystick or the switches are connected. You just have to take 2 wires and give it through a transistor circuit. Now the whole logic is, instead of potentiometer, as I am giving directly through my I'm directly giving the current, so the voltage will always be maximum. The helicopter will try to always fly at a good height. There is no speed control. If you want to do a speed control, you'd rather want to go with the PWM of Arduino, but I'm not really sure how the PWM is going to work. So